In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're new to Google Sites or just looking for a quick way to customize your website's footer, this guide is perfect for you, so let's jump right in. First, you'll want to get started by heading over to your preferred web browser and going to Google Search. In the search bar, type in Google Sites. Hit Enter, and you should see Google Sites as the first result. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to the Google Sites homepage where you can start managing your websites. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to select the site you want to edit. You'll see a list of your sites, so simply click on the site that you're looking to update. After selecting your site, a new page will launch with the editing interface, providing you with the tools to adjust various aspects of your site. Now, scroll down to the footer section of your site, where you'll see an option to Edit Footer. Click on this, and it will open up a panel with various customization options available. You can start adding the content that you want to display in your footer. This could include textual information, such as your company's information like C25 your company, all rights reserved. You can also add links to relevant pages, like your social media profiles, a privacy policy, or a contact page. If you have small branding images or logos you want to include, those can be added here as well. Furthermore, if you need more interactive elements, buttons or embedded components can be included to enhance the footer's functionality. After you've added your content, take a moment to explore the additional customization options. If you wish to include social media icons, click on the social icon option to add or customize links to your accounts. You have control over the text size, so you can adjust this if your text appears too small or too large in the footer area. Shapes can also be changed if you're looking to add a more stylistic or recognizable aspect to your design. And don't forget about color customization. Make sure the colors you choose align with your overall site theme for a consistent look. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's crucial to save your changes so they appear on the live version of your site. To do this, simply hit the Publish button. This updates your site, ensuring visitors see the new, polished footer you've just crafted. And that's it. You've successfully edited the footer on your Google site. These few simple steps allow you to quickly and efficiently customize your footer, ensuring it meets your specific needs and branding requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Google Sites tips and tricks.